In this video, I want to talk to you about the research features. So when you're in the research features, you have several options here. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to give your campaign a name, and then you're going to choose what you want to do. So with eBookWriter, it can help you come up with titles based upon your niche or your topic. It can help you to view popular books in niches based on certain platforms. It can help you to generate author bios. This option will give you keywords you can use based upon your ebook, as well as what categories to put them in. Finally is my favorite feature, which is the random ebook generator. If you're just feeling brain dead and you want to create an ebook, but you have no idea what to create it on, you can tick this box and it's going to give you some random options. So let's go through these and I'll show you how they work. We'll just title this one Camping 1 and do a book title generation. You're going to choose your AI model. I like to use the 4.0. You're going to give it a topic. I'll just put camping. And then you're going to choose your targeted audience, the genre, the tone, and the key aspect for your campaign. For the key aspect, you can just pick something that's close or similar to what your topic's about. And click on create. After just a few seconds, you should have a list of titles here that you can use for your ebook. The next option is for popular books in a niche. So we'll just call this popular. I'm going to select this, and then down here at the bottom, you want to choose what niche your book falls into. For mine, I'll do travel and adventure. We're going to do this based on the last 6 months. The platform you want to check is Amazon. And then the target market, for me, I usually do USA. And then how do you want it to check the popularity? You can choose here based on number of reviews, based on its ratings, bestseller status, or sales volume. And there's some other options here, but I like to use sales volume. And then we'll do 10 and click create. So what this is going to show you are the most popular books based on the niche you selected on Amazon and the sales volume. So let me refresh this page. And you can get a list of these books. And what's great about this is if you click on one, it's going to give you more details. So let's say you were thinking about posting a book in the travel and adventure category, where you can see here with this book, it also gives you a book summary. And so this summary can be used for you to create your own book, which then you can upload to the travel and adventure section and maybe piggyback off of this one to gain a lot of momentum really fast. Next, we have generate author bio. This is a very simple one. Let's just give it the name of bio. We're going to tick this option. I'm going to choose the model to be GPT-4o. So I gave it some brief details about this author and then the tone, and then we're going to click on create. And then after a few seconds, you can see the generated author bios it gives you. And if you click on one of them, here it has Regan Miller, an esteemed author and speaker, offers a wealth of knowledge in camping and wilderness survival. With several acclaimed books under their belt, Regan's insights are invaluable to both novice campers and seasoned explorers. Next, you can do the best keywords and categories for an ebook. I'll just title this one keywords, select the option. Once again, GPT-4o, the topic. For the topic, we'll just do camping for beginners. We're targeting the general public. Actually, we'll do beginners. And then for the platform, we're going to do Amazon KDP, and we'll get 10 results for this. And here you can see a variety of keywords and different categories in which you can place your ebook on the Kindle platform. And finally, we have the option to create ideas for random ebooks. So we're just going to give this the name of random and then tick this circle, and it's going to give us some random options here. Here you can see some titles that we can use to create a new ebook. Now, another feature I do want to add here in the future is the option to just click regenerate and then give us a whole new selection, or maybe an option to give us maybe 20 titles or maybe even 50 or 100. We do have a lot more plans for the research tools, so stay tuned to that.